He's worn out. He has been moving furniture.
I still got to put that rug down.
Moving carpet. Because we are remodeling, guys. So you guys are going to go along with the process for us. We're not doing, how do I put it?
Not painting yet.
Right, we're not painting yet, but I'll show you what's going on today. Today, we're going to lay a carpet in this room. We've got some floor cleanup to do in this room. This is really needs some repainting and stuff, so we're not going to paint today. We got a new thermostat put in the other day. We're going to buy a new stove, which we discussed yesterday, because if you've seen our stove, it's just had its day. It's just like really hard to clean and everything, but we do what we can. But anyway, this was bad, but we are laying a carpet. We're still cleaning up some of the floor. It's just an old floor. And so this is part of the process. We moved that plant table. We've got some plant stuff in there. Of course, we got to paint the kitchen and everything too. Got to move Clay's desk around and things. So you can kind of see what we're up to here. It's a busy day. Obviously, it's a busy day. So you know how it is when you live in a small style, ranch style home when you're older, so to speak.
And you only do so much at a time.
Yes. And plus, we want to live practical because...
Work for about an hour and then get a rest for 10 minutes.
Exactly. Well, we rest because we're moving furniture. But we want to do things practical.
We took some furniture and
put it to the road.
And stuff out to the road.
You can see stuff to the road for free.
Took a hutch out there.
And
that was all heavy too. That mirror must have weighed 100 pounds or better.
And Clay wants to redo this. See, what happens is when you get older, guys...
Got an old-fashioned desk.
We just like it.
It's kid's desk. I'm going to redo it.
Because what happens is you can say, oh, I want everything to look just so. But, you know, Clay and I like to watch TV and do our thing. So he wants to have that. He loves that desk. I used to have it, so I understand exactly what he's saying because it works out nice. So, of course, our plants and stuff like that. But, you know, we're making it for us, not for someone else. Oh, and Hammond got a new hat. Hammond got a new groove on. So he's...
I still got to fix it.
Yeah. So, anyway, today is a day we've been waiting to do this. We have to do some things before the snow flies because we want to get rid of some furniture and then...
Yeah, and once the snow starts hitting, nobody wants to pick all that stuff up roadside.
The main thing that we're finding with this house is the light. We have new lights, too, that we're going to be putting
I
up.
hate these new LED lights. They are not bright enough. Everybody says, oh, LEDs. Yeah, you save money with them, but light-wise, they're lousy. I like a nice 100-watt bulb where you can, if you turn the light on, you can see. These LEDs, I put a 75 in out there that's LED, and it's still not bright enough.
Yeah, this one, we just stuck this in. This is going... We got new lights for this. We actually took off the globe and everything because it was so dark in here. And I know it sounds weird, but I like this filing cabinet because sometimes there's things in here that we need. So we're thinking...
Just repaint it.
Repaint it. I know it might say, well, why would you have it in that room? Well, this is supposed to be a dining room.
This is our
office.
It's supposed to be a dining room,
but this is our office. And so there's like my window seat that's all full of junk because we're moving things around. There's some bags of stuff we're going to put in. We were going to put in a new cabinet, but I have another cabinet I think we're going to put in. Our trash is filthy because we had to clean the furnace room out too. Clay's desk, which it was a good desk. So we're just going to keep that. But, you know, and as you can see, lots of painting, lots of work to be done. But this is what's happening today. And, oh, yeah, let's show them this in case you haven't seen this. I love this thing. Clay got this for the incubators, actually. I don't know what's on it.
No, it's an outside, inside thermometer. We got it at Lowe's.
So you could,
not Lowe's, but Tractor Supply.
So indoors it says it's 73, outdoors it says it's 76, which I don't know. Sometimes the way we had it too, is
76 is inside.
Yeah, so anyway, lots and lots of work. This is all... What happened is I tore off all the wallpaper.
Yeah. When
we first got together.
When I came home from work, there was a mess all over everything.
Because I said, I can't live in a... It has to be my house, so we have to... So now we've got that. But either way, I couldn't live in 1980, you know. It's 2020. So anyway, guys, that was a gift actually from my sister. We both gave each other gifts the year she moved like 1,000 miles from me, one of my sisters, and they're both like had a meaning to, that it just seemed like a message from God. Mine was God was going to supply all your needs. Hers was God was going to expand her. So it was kind of a cool thing. But anyway, so here's the big old project today. And so now we're going to lay a carpet. And I guess with that, we'll get back to work. But I hope you enjoy our remodeling videos when we do them. They're basically remodeling for us.
Well, it's
practical as your senior citizens, so to speak. We don't want to be getting into a bunch of stuff that we're not interested in. You know, so anyway, that's what we're working on. So, oh, and then this morning, somebody threw a whole trash bag. We're talking about garbage. Oh, my goodness. Somebody threw a whole trash bag of garbage
out in the middle of the road.
And people, and we have a busy road. People were running on it, and Clay and I were like doing the furniture, and we noticed it, and we're like, you know what? We got to go. We didn't say we. Clay had to go move it. Oh, yeah, Clay made that dragon a long time ago.
Painted it. I didn't make it.
And then that's like one of those things.
Another project.
And our calendar needs to be moved because it's behind. So we got to take care of that. And Clay likes superheroes and all those types of things. So people send him like little gifts and stuff of things. So he got those. And it's pretty cool. And then these guys all need to be watered. What I'm doing is I took all my plants apart. Now I'm putting them back together again because I was playing propagation fun with my plant buddy. But here's an interesting fact. If you guys love African violets, which these guys need water and light, if your African violets don't get enough light, they will like scoop right up to the ceiling. They'll like actually come right out of their pot. These guys need to be moved. They need light. So, and then my goal.
I'm going to need your help, dear, so you're going to have to pause your video.
Oh, yeah. Well, I'm not going to pause. I'm just going to let them go here because I don't know when I'm going to get back because I got to help fix stuff and move carpeting. And this is the carpet. Oh, this is cool. We'll have fun. It looks like it's going to be.
It's an older carpet.
Well, it was a gift. It's not an older carpet. We didn't pick the carpet. My sister gave it to us, and we didn't think it was going to fit, but now we think it might. She said my sister buys furniture all the time, and she'll be like, I don't like it. And so she said she didn't want it, and I said, well, see if maybe we might want it. So I wasn't a big carpet person because of allergies, but what do you think? You like it or not?
I think you ought to snap your video so we can get
Oh, yeah,
this
okay,
done.
so I'm going to look at this, and we gotta check and see if it's even going to fit in this room.
It will
Okay.
fit. It's just, I need your help. I can't have
Okay,
you
guys, we'll see you in the
videoing
next
while I'm doing the
video.
work here.
Like, subscribe, and have fun. God bless. And remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. I got to check on that floor over there, too, before you do layout.
You gotta
Okay.
move that stuff, dear.
Okay. Like, subscribe, and remember, big or small, say the last words, and I'll...
You too could be a backyard farm making a mess.
Okay, bye-bye.